Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying a few essentials so fixes work reliably. First, update Messenger and your phone OS. Outdated builds often trigger token errors. Next, confirm you can sign in on the web and that two-factor settings match. This rules out account locks. Once done, clear the app cache and temporary storage to remove corrupted tokens. Don't delete account data yet. These steps remove common causes and prepare the app for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you'll perform the middle, more detailed steps that solve persistent logout loops. Revoke existing sessions from your account security page and sign back in to force fresh tokens. This resolves server-side mismatches. If that fails, fully reset the app data or uninstall and reinstall to eliminate corrupted credentials. Make sure Messenger can run in background, isn't restricted by battery optimizers, and has proper network permissions. Those prevent token refresh and cause repeats. Finish by confirming the fix and preparing recovery steps if needed. Log back in and monitor for at least 24 hours across Wi-Fi and cellular to ensure tokens persist. Intermittent networks can mask success. If the logout continues, try signing in on another device or perform a password reset to invalidate stale credentials. If nothing works, collect screenshots and any error text or logs. Make sure you have that info ready when contacting support, so they can resolve the underlying token or account issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.